How to combine videos on Instagram Reels. After you open your Instagram app like this, now swipe your Instagram like this to this side. Now after you open your camera like this, now tap on this reel section. After you tap on this reel section, as you can see now you can be able now to, you can be able now to go and record a video if you want to record a video. But now if you want to just upload the video, you can tap on this gallery icon at the bottom left side. Now go ahead and upload your videos. So I'll just go ahead and upload my videos that I want to combine on Instagram. So as you can see now, here is the videos that I want to combine. I'll just choose these two videos, this one and this one. So tap on this section. As you can see now, tap on this little icon. Tap on this icon to allow you to select multiple videos. So select the videos like this. After you finish selecting your videos, now tap on this next button. So as you can see now it just process your video. You can go ahead now and choose a filter in this section or tap on this skip button. So after you tap on this skip button, as you can see now tap on this edit button at the bottom, edit. After you tap on this edit button, as you can see now, here is now my video. As you can see now, here is the first video and here is second video. So as you can see now, here is the first video and here is the second video, first one and second one. After you finish just combining your video like this, tap on this arrow at the top right side. So as you can see now, you can go ahead and upload your videos on Instagram Reel. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.